This morning on The Blend, we have back with us Erica Seldivar, who is the Client Services Coordinator with Family and Elder Law of Mid-Michigan. Good morning, Erica.
Good morning, Bob. Thank you.
Good to see you. So we know that you help folks a lot with their estate planning, wills, power of attorney, and such, but you also help people qualify and apply for Medicaid. And I hear your firm is offering a workshop especially for educating the public on that, on Medicaid. Why is that important?
Yeah, we're really excited about this new workshop, the nuts and bolts of Medicaid. Let's face it, as science and technology advance, we're living longer. Most of us are going to find ourselves needing or wanting Medicaid at some point because Medicaid pays for long-term care. Most of us are not going to be able to afford to pay out of pocket for long-term care. In fact, Medicaid pays 45 to 65% of all nursing home bills. Medicare, on the other hand, only covers up to 100 days of rehab or convalescent care. That means if you're not getting better, you're going to find yourself paying that bill out of your own pocket, or by using long-term care insurance, if you could even qualify for that, or by using other governmental benefits like Medicaid.
So why should people apply for Medicaid, though, if they have money in their accounts and their bank that they could pay out of pocket?
Yeah, I think there is a misconception that Medicaid is just meant for the poor. The rules for Medicaid are very complex, and there are protections built in to protect your property for your spouse and your family members. At the workshop, we'll talk about the difference between pre-planning and crisis planning. And we'll talk about some of the techniques that we can use to protect your assets for single people and for families. Because with pre-planning, almost anybody can qualify for Medicaid.
So what ages should attend this workshop? I mean, you know, if you're in your 30s, is it still good to get this information?
It's always good because you can never start pre-planning too early. That's why this education is so important for everyone. We've pulled out just the Medicaid piece of our regular estate planning workshop because that needed more explanation so that people can understand it. You have to understand the right financial power of attorney, having a Medicaid compliant caregiver contract, because without those things, you could delay or derail your Medicaid qualification.
The nuts and bolts of Medicaid, you can give Family Elder Law of Mid-Michigan a call at 351-6222.